My name is Chris Seidl. This is my Thesis 2 project, WeDj. So WeDj is a real-time music listener app powered by Apple Music and a Firebase backend. I'm using Firebase as real-time database. I went with the real-time database for latency reasons, and I don't really have a good SQL background, so I just went with Firebase from the get-go, and it didn't give me any issues. For Apple Music, initially I was getting authorized. I went and signed up for their developer program, paid a small fee, and they give you capabilities to developer tokens, use music tokens. It's all token based. They use a JSON web token, which is in a form of having a header, a payload, and a signature. And the signature being an encrypted developer token with a private key that they give you. I managed to get through all that, and once I started trying to contact their StoreKit cloud services, I started to get into some real issues. So recently that has been my block. I am not getting authorized through their cloud service capabilities, and their storefront country code, I can't get one. Storefront country codes are usually linked up with music accounts already, so most of the time, from the documentation that I've read, most of the time you don't even have to request a storefront code because there's one already tied into the user's Apple Music account. But I'm not able to prompt the user to link their Apple Music account because it's saying that it can't connect to the iTunes servers. So I'm not sure if it's a simulator issue, like my volume slider, but that's it. Those are the issues that I'm running into right now. I'm not too sure what's going on, but here we go. So we're prompted with the login screen. There's a register, login, all the error handling's here. So like if I just try to, whatever, password's invalid, there's no account. Come over here to register, and if I want to try to just use a not valid email address, it's not going to allow me to. I have to have an email address and a password greater than 6 characters. So if I do sad@happy.com, but my password isn't long enough, it's not going to let me in. So here we'll register. I'll do Reggie, since that's my dog's name sitting next to me, sadhappy.com, and we'll just do something we can remember, 123123, register. And here it is, you're prompted with the now playing thing immediately. These are all template values because, like I said, if I hit this, it throws me a thread error because it can't connect to the Apple servers. But these buttons, I can hit this one, this isn't linked right now, but these buttons, there's a music slider right here where my mouse is. Once again, if you look it up, simulator does not support music slider for some reason. I'm not too sure what's going on with that, but if I put it on my phone, you can see the music slider. So over here is a users tab, which is all current users online. It just pulls right now, since the app is so small, I have it just pulling users. Eventually can probably use this to add certain users to an array inside of my database, and that's that. So over here in the music, this is where you're going to search for something. When you go to log in, a little thing comes up here, but now I can just type and then hit go to search them, and up here you click this and it calls the play function from my media player. Over here in inbox, this is where you'll get messages from users over here, and just up here is a new message. Logout works. So if we just try to do, what was that? sad@happy.com, 123123. Well, let's try it, make sure it doesn't work. Alright, if we get the right password, we're in. And like I said, this will update in real time. So if we go in and we register a new user called, let's do Hank@field.com. Oh, I spelled it wrong. That's not a good look, huh? And we'll do 123. is being shown in the users online. So that's pretty much what I got so far. Like I said, I got really far, and I have a decent amount of packages from Apple, and I ended up adding a couple more, and there's probably about three modules in there that aren't even being implemented right now because I can't get the country code, the storefront country code, and I can't get cloud service capabilities or authorization. There's pretty much 4 methods that you need to call, and it's request cloud service capabilities, request storefront country code, request user token, which is what you use user developer token to get a user token, and then it returns, you get to just check with SK Cloud Service Controller authorization status. And for some reason, my authorization status continuously returns a not determined response as opposed to an authorized or non-authorized. And it just keeps returning an unexpected value from the SK Cloud Service Controller for user token. And no matter what I do here, I'm not sure. I don't know if there's a certain order I need to be doing these things in, I don't know what I'm missing. I can't. It just bit off a little bit more than I can chew. But I'm very proud of what I got done here. I went into this not knowing any Swift, and I learned a ton. My navigation is smooth with this segmented controller. And yeah, that's about it. And thank you.